Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine and studying. Children, today we are going to study about food. In this chapter, we will study about nutrients and classification of nutrients. We will study about balanced diet and why it is called balanced diet and why it is important to take balanced diet. What is the importance of healthy food and why should we not consume unhealthy food. So let's watch the video and try to understand the concept. 7th chapter. We have already learned about the importance of food for human beings and other animals in previous chapter. We have also learnt about different types of food obtained from different sources such as plants and animals. But in this chapter, we are going to study about the nutrients present in our food. But first of all, the question is, why do we need food? Why food is important for us? If we do not eat enough proper food, we become weak and unhealthy. Then we are not able to do any work. But why do it happen? Because different types of nutrients are present in different types of food which are important for our body. That nutrient give us energy, keep us healthy and make us grow. So let's see about these things. Do you know our food is also called diet? Different types of food that we eat or drink throughout the day is together called a diet. Like we drink water, we eat rice, chapati, vegetables, all these food all together is called diet. That's why we say that we should eat balanced diet. Balanced diet means the food that contain all the nutrients in appropriate amount is called balanced diet. Diet means, I have already said, that the food that we eat or drink throughout the day is together called a diet. Means जो भी खाना हम पूरे दिन खाते हैं उसको हम diet कहते हैं. But the diet should be balanced. There is a picture. Two types of pictures are there. Should we eat these food? Pizza, burger, hot dog, cake, pastry, soft drink. Do these food stuff help you to grow and stay healthy? Think about it and message to me. What is balanced diet? The food plate consists of rice, chapati, dal, vegetables, curd and papad. This variety of foodstuff is called balanced diet. But why this plate only is called balanced diet? Because in this diet, in balanced diet, all the nutrients like energy giving nutrients, body building nutrients, protective nutrients which protect our body from diseases, body building nutrient means which help us to grow, energy giving nutrient means which provide our body energy so that we can walk whole the day. So these nutrients are present in this food, in this diet. That's why in balanced amount. That's why this diet is called balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet which contains different types of food possessing the different nutrients, that is the carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, and also water in a proper amount, in a proper proportion is called balanced diet. You know children, water is very important for us. We can't survive without water. So along with food, we should consume enough water whole the day. We eat a variety of food stuff. They contain different nutrients. First nutrient is carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is also called energy giving nutrient. Carbohydrate and fats are the nutrients that provide energy to our body and help it perform various functions. Because whole day we play in the playground, we do different types of work. So we study, we drink, we eat, everything. For performing all the work, we need energy. So carbohydrate is a nutrient which provides us energy. Our body needs energy to do all type of work in our daily life. You can see in this picture. So for doing all this work, we need energy. And where do we get energy from? We get energy from this carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us energy. So foods which contain carbohydrate are called energy giving food. Let's see which foods give us energy. These are some examples: rice, bread, chapati, maize, potatoes, bananas, and millets, honey, sugar. These food give us energy to do different types of work. Next, children, second most important nutrient is protein. Protein helps our body to grow. Do you know, children, protein rich diet is very important for all of you because you are growing children. Your muscle is growing, your bone is growing, and it needs to be strong. Your brain is developing, your height is growing, so you all are considered as growing children. So growing children need more protein, and protein rich food is also called body building food. Our food should therefore include more than one source of protein. And do you know what are the sources of protein? Milk, egg, paneer, chicken, fish, and pulses, soya bean. These are rich source of protein. If you are vegetarian, then you can take paneer, soya bean, pulses, and milk. Milk is very important because it is considered as complete food. It compensates, it fulfills all the need of all the requirement of nutrients in our body. So every day children should have or drink 1 glass of milk. Why? Because milk is complete food. If you are non-vegetarian, then you can eat fish, egg, chicken, and mutton as protein rich diet because it is very important to grow our body. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy. See you in next class. Stay healthy, stay positive.